Hi, it's Micah. Today I wanted to do a deck interview spread on the Second Nature Tarot using these cute cards. So I'm going to take out the numerology one and just work with the suits and the majors. This cardstock shuffles great. It feels really soft, almost like a worn pair of jeans or cotton shirts. I'm worried how the edges are going to hold up over time, but we shall see. So, question number one is, what makes you unique as a deck? What makes you unique? All right, we got Two of Fire. Development, achievement, and collaboration. Okay. So, yeah, that looks good. We're going to collaborate together with readings, achieve some things. What quality is most important for me to develop as a reader? The Child of Air. All right. Okay, so in here it says page. Be truthful, use your mind, and objective. So, as a reader, I should be truthful, use my mind, and be objective. That very cohesive there. It's hard to pick these up around my tripod. All right, how can I best learn from and collaborate with this deck? Oh, the sun. Look at that. So that's going to be on the major card. How can I best learn from and collaborate with this deck? Happiness, success, and prosperity. Maybe it'll bring me these things. I'll accept some happiness, success, and prosperity in my life. Maybe this deck is going to be used well for pick-me-ups, right? And money readings. What do you see as the potential outcome for our relationship? So how's our relationship going to go? Me and this deck. How are we going to jive together? Oh no! The Tower. I need to wiggle these up a bit. It's okay. If the pieces fall, I'll put them back together. All right. So, potential relationship, revelation, and sudden change. That might not be bad. I'm okay with some revelation and change, possibly, in how I read. Who knows? I'm not going to take it as a bad thing. You know? Change isn't bad. And what advice do you have for me right now? Give me some advice, cards. The Wheel of Fortune. Another major. 3 majors. Changes, cycles, and turning point. So, we got 2 potential change cards. And I do have to keep an eye on cycles in my life to make sure that I don't stay in my lows and try to make the best out of everything. So, yeah, I hope you guys like this quick little reading. I got to get ready for work. But, yeah, typically I wouldn't use, say if this was a little white book, I probably wouldn't have looked at the meanings. But these cards kind of make it fun, right? So, if a beginner got this deck, they could easily do what I just did. And like I said, there is a numerology card too. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day.